Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to open a SketchUp SKB file. Alright, it is pretty easy to do. Just go ahead and locate your SKB file. It is usually located besides your SketchUp file or the SKB file. Now the way to open up the SKB file, just hang on a moment. As you can see here, it is just basically the same scene or object. What we're going to do to open up our backed up SKB file, just right click on it, hit on rename. Then use your right arrow key on your keyboard to move through the text. All right. And then go to B right here. Delete that one. And instead of B, just go ahead and change it to P. All right. Once done, just hit on enter. And it's going to ask you if you change the file name extension, the file might become unusable. Are you sure you want to change that? Just hit on yes. Yes again. And as you can see, it just created a new SKB file. Just go ahead and double click on that particular new SKB file right now. And as you can see, we have just recovered or opened up our once before SKB file. All right. And there you have it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.